Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, we will solve Math Olympiad Exponential Equation 3 raised to power a plus 3 raised to power a plus 3 raised to power a equals 72. Find the value of a. We will start solving it. 3 raised to power a plus 3 raised to power a plus 3 raised to power a equals 72. We can take 3 power a common. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 72. We write 3 raised to power a times 3 equals 72. Dividing both sides by 3. 3 cancel with 3. We left with 3 raised to power a equals 3 1 3 2 24. Now here we will take the log with the base 10 on both sides. Log 3 raised to power a equals log 24. We will use formula log a raised to power b times log of a. It will be a times log of 3 equals log of 24. Divide both sides by log of 3. Log of 3. Log of 3 cancel with log of 3. A equals log of 24 by log of 3. We write 24 as 3 into 8 or log of 3. We here use the formula in the numerator. Log of a into b is log of a plus log of b. So a will be log of 3 plus log of 8. This log of 3 and log of 3. Log of 3 cancel with log of 3. A will be equals to 1 plus log of 8 or log of 3. We'll use formulas for this. Log of a over log of b, log of a with the base b. A equals 1. A equals 1 plus log of 8 with the base 3. This is the final value of a. We will put this value of a in our given question for verification. 3 raised to power a plus 3 raised to power a plus 3 raised to power a equals 72. That is 3 raised to power a. 3 equals 72. 3 raised to power a is 24. We will put the value of a here. 3 raised to the power 1 plus log of 8 with the base 3 equals 24. We know that a power m plus n can be written as a power m times a power n. It will be 3 power 1, 3 power log of 8 with the base 3 equals 24. Now focus here. We have formula a power log of b with the base a is always equals to b. For this case, our a equals 3 and b equals 8. So the final value for this term is b. That is 3 power 1 times b, which is 8, equals 24. 3 into 8 is 24 equals 24. It means that the value of a 1 plus log of 8 with the base 3 is correct, with the left hand side equal to right hand side. I hope you understand this video. If so, please like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. Thank you for watching my video.